Did you know that one mistake on your credit report could silently be destroying your credit scores? If your score is lower than expected, don't panic. I'm about to break down exactly what's causing it and how you can start fixing it today. Now, your credit affects everything, and everything from a mortgage to a vehicle to credit cards to life insurance, car insurance, if you're trying to rent, also if you're trying to get employment. So you need to improve your scores. I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can actually improve your scores today. Let's dive into it. Now, the number one cause of credit scores dropping are missed payments. Most people don't know this. So if you have missed payments that are actually incurring and they're being placed on your credit report, you have to make sure that they do not actually occur anymore. If that happens, your scores can drop anywhere between 50 to 100 points, sometimes even 150 points if your scores are higher in the 800s. So you want to make sure that your scores do not drop by late payments. How to fix this? One way is how you can fix this is basically setting up auto pay. All you have to do is go to your banking app or contact your bank or lender and tell them that you would like to set up auto pay, and this is going to help you absolve yourself of having late payments report and show on your credit profile. Coming up, did you know that using your credit cards the wrong way can ruin your credit scores? Stay tuned. Now, maxing out your credit cards, that's a big no-no. You want to make sure that if you are having issues trying to figure out how to allocate money and put it in different sections so that you don't max out your credit cards, make sure to contact us and we can help you develop a game plan to lower your balances on your credit cards. Now, if you have anything or your balances are above 30%, make sure that you pay them below 30%, or we suggest 10%. So try to get those credit cards down. We do understand the economy right now, but you need to get those credit cards down, because if not, that's going to make your scores drop. And when you do pay them off, your score's going to increase where they were before your scores dropped. Next up, even if you pay off a loan, closing the account can actually hurt your credit score. Here's why. You should never close accounts. If you have any open accounts, such as credit cards, make sure to keep those accounts open. If not, what is going to happen is that your overall history will be lowered or reduced, and then that is going to weaken your credit profile, and that's going to cause lenders to look at you as more of a high risk. So you want to make sure to keep those accounts open. Even if you have 8, you have 10 or 5, make sure to keep all of those accounts open, because by keeping them open, that's going to basically strengthen your credit profile. And then when it strengthens it, this is going to allow you to be able to do the things that you want to do in life, because obviously you're going to have a good mix of credit and a strong credit profile. Stay with me. There's a credit mistake that 80% of people are actually doing right now, and you actually may be doing it as well. Do not apply for credit within a short period of time. And by that short period of time, we mean within a 30-day or 90-day time period, because what happens is if you do apply, the lenders will then look at you as a high risk, because they may see that you are trying to get credit and you've been denied. Therefore, there are going to be red flags and you're high risk. So make sure, do not apply for credit cards or loans within a short period of time. Make sure to spread them a long period of time, such as, let's say, for instance, within the first 30 days, only apply for 1 or 2 accounts, and then the next month maybe do 1, but you want to make sure that every 3 months you only apply for at max 3 accounts when you are trying to attain credit. So make sure to spread them over a period of time, because you do not want to be red flagged by lenders when you go to apply for things such as mortgages or car loans, okay? Now, what about collections? If you have one, does this mean that your credit scores are doomed forever? This answer might actually surprise you. Now, collections, they're going to stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. And over that period of time, your scores will slowly increase. However, if collection agencies and creditors try to reach out to you to have you pay that particular account, if you pay that account, your scores will not automatically increase. The reason why is because it needs to be removed or deleted from your credit report. Just because it has a 0 balance, it's still going to reflect as a charge-off account. And therefore, the lender, they're going to basically not really try to remove it from that point on, because they feel as though that they've gotten their money. So make sure that you don't just pay the collection account simply because you're trying to get it basically removed, because you have to make sure that either you do a pay for deletion, or we do not recommend that you speak with them, because if you do speak with them, what can happen is the lenders or the creditors or the collection agencies, they will then assume and record your voice and information and say that you have admitted that the debt belongs to you. So just do not say that the debt belongs to you when you are talking with them, especially if you're trying to get it removed. Contact us. We're going to get it removed, and then you're not going to have that stress or that burden to worry about. Now, let's talk solutions. How can you start fixing your credit today? Here's your action plan. Get your credit report using the link below. When you sign up, you get your 3 Bureau 30-day credit report. You can check it because this is extremely important for you. Lower your balance below 30%. Make sure to do this because this is vitally important for your credit scores to increase. Set up auto pay to avoid late payments. You do not want late payments to appear because if they do, then that's going to drastically drop your scores. Not apply for too many credit cards at once. This is a big red flag and high risk, and you do not want for this to reflect on your credit scores because it's going to stay on your credit profile for up to 2 years, and that's going to be a burden for you. Work with us. We're going to help you get those items removed, as well as help you be able to set up a 6-month personalized game plan so that you can achieve all the goals that you want to achieve in life. So what I want you to do is click on the link below. Sign up for a free consultation. It's only 15 minutes. We're going to talk about what you're trying to do, where you are in life, as well as how we're going to help you get there. I promise you that you will not be disappointed. You'll be very happy with what we're going to help you do. So all you have to do is click on the link below and listen. Let's go ahead and help you on that credit healing journey because we want you to be successful in life. Now, for those of you who want to sign up, go to www.credithealing.org, or if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 225-733-6429. Peace.